slide. But what's up, y'all? Today, man, I'm just gonna do a little small video for y'all, man. Today, I'm gonna be showing my top 5 favorite Mustangs. I just made this little PowerPoint showing my top 5 favorite Mustangs. So, y'all know Mustang my favorite. Ford is my favorite. I give y'all a little story. What got me into Ford was my mom. She had bought a Ford Fusion, and it was this guy named Mr. Larry. Every time I come to the Ford dealership, he used to always go show me the sport cars. And he used to be a Mustang, '03 Mustang, and he used to be there part every time I see that mug. And I made a promise to myself. I said one day I'm gonna get one, and I did give me an '03 tungsten gray Mustang GT. So that's what got me into Mustangs, and ever since now, all I do is talk about Mustangs. All I do is want another Mustang, cause y'all already know my dream car, but it's gonna be in this video too. So yeah, but we're gonna get straight into it, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's get it, man. So my first Mustang, it may not be y'all favorite, but it's mine. So let's get straight into it. So we're gonna start from 5 all the way down to my top favorite ones. So let's get straight into it. So y'all already know, man, the '03 Terminator now. Now, hey, the '03 Terminator you can't go wrong with. Like the Terminator Cobras, they always been my favorite. I just love that body style. I remember my college classmate, he had a he had a Terminator body style, and man, them things they so nice. They so sleek and smooth. Like it's just a clean car. Then they got that supercharge on there. Then you put a cam in one of them joints. Man, nice. A1. I'm telling y'all, A1. So yeah, I definitely, like I said, I always wanted a '03 a Terminator, bro. Like I said, I'm really just now liking them. At first, I didn't like them too much, but them Terminators, they right. I ain't gonna even lie, they really right. They're a nice car, especially a nice car if you want to get your teenager to start out with. I definitely get the Terminator body style, but just the Terminator Cobra, clean car, and I rate it on a scale of 1 through 10. I rate that John a 7, man, 7, 8. Okay, number 4, we got the Super Snake GT 500, man. The Super Snake GT 500 and the 14-year model GT 500. Now these right here, bro. I remember when I used to watch YouTube, and I forgot this guy's name. He had a ruby red, just like this one, a ruby red one with Corsa headers, Corsa exhaust, and the full Corsa exhaust kit. Man, that thing sounds so nasty, bro. Nasty. Headers too. Man, get you some headers, a nice Corsa exhaust. Them things are nice. And they can get up to 1,000 horsepower with a little bit more add-ons or a different pulley on that joint. So definitely one of my favorite GT 500s for sure. Definitely one of my favorites. Definitely. But let's get on to number 3. So number 3, man, you can't go wrong with a clean Fox body. Now, if I get me a Fox body, I'm not even gonna do too much to it, bro, because I'm gonna make it like a little, car show type deal. I'm gonna make it clean. I'm gonna have it in a nice color. I'm gonna have some nice wheels on it, dice in the mirror. Hey, clean setup. You feel me? For like little car cruises or something. A little car drive, whatever, little, like I said, little car shows and stuff. So yeah, definitely can't go wrong with a Fox body Mustang. That's why it's my number 3 for sure. Gotta have one of those in your collection. If you a Mustang collector, gotta have your Fox body. So number 2, hey man, now it's kind of a debate because like the GTD are nice, the GTD is nice, and the what's the new one that came out? The GTDs are nice, the RTRs are nice, but not too many people I see around here got Super Snake Mustangs. And me personally, I like the Super Snake body style, man. Like even though it ain't nothing but the front end bumper. You could tell that's gonna be a big difference in all the other Mustangs. You cannot go wrong with a clean setup like this. Like that front bumper just look nasty, bro. It looks mean. Like every time I see a Super Snake, I just always look at the front bumper and I just like, yeah, that's a Super Snake. You could just automatically tell it's a Super Snake. And then, like I said, you got the 21 model and the 25 model. I will always go to 21 with the 10 speed. Well, I think both of them come with 10 speeds. I don't know. I like the 25 model. I like the new 25 model on them too. But if I had to choose between one, I still choose the 25 model. That joint nice. It's nice. Then you got the big wing on the back of it. Can't go wrong with it. But you know, the Gen 3 body style is nice too, bro. It's nice too. So, like I said, you don't see too many Super Snakes on the street. You don't see too many. So that's why I would go with the Super Snake. That's my number 2. Now, last but not least, man. Last but not least. Now, you cannot say that this is probably not the best Mustang that they ever created. Like, you cannot. 1,500 plus horsepower. Nice cam kit on that joint. Twin turbo. You can't say it's not the best Mustang. The cold red GT500. Now, like I said, if I ever got rich, this would be the first car on my list to get, bro. I'm not gonna even lie to you, cause the starting price of this joint is $300K. So I like words cannot express how hard this car is to me, man. With the meaty tires on the back, the wing, just the engine modifications, the sounds, like everything about this car is just nice, bro. And you cannot go wrong with a GT500 in general. Like, even if I didn't make this list without the Code Red, a GT500 is just gonna be number one, cause that's my number one car that I always want, and my dream goal is to achieve it. Coming real soon, so stay tuned, man. If y'all support me now, hey, we can get there. You know what I'm saying? But hey, can't go wrong with a Code Red. Like I said, 1,500 plus horsepower, drag strip ready. Like, it's ready to hit the strip soon as it's soon as it hop out of Fat House Performance Shop, and can't go wrong with it. But like, look at that joint. That joint just looks mean. So those are my top 5 Mustangs. A lot of y'all may say differently what y'all favorite Mustangs are. Let me know if y'all agree with mine, man. My list looking pretty nice. Like I said, you go cold red. You can't go wrong with a Super Snake in your collection. Can't go wrong with a Fox body. Like, you always gotta go Fox body. Hey, 15, 14, not 15, 14, 13 model Super Snake 500s. A1. That's what got me into GT 500s. This right here. And the Terminator Cobra. You cannot go wrong with having one of those. Nice little drag setup too. Or you could just have one nice little clean Mustang setup. Go to Mustang weekend. Go to Mustang shows or whatever. Ford shows that they be having. Can't go wrong with a little clean setup on a Terminator Cobra. But yeah, these are my top 5. Let me know. Let me know what y'all like. Which one would y'all choose out of all 5 of them? If I just had to choose one and just keep that one, I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Cold Red gonna have to come home, bro. It's going to be Cold Red. It's going to be Cold Red. But that's gonna be the end of this video, man. I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe on the video. Like I said, I'm just giving y'all my top 5. If y'all want me to do a part 2 to the cars people that I know around my area cars, if y'all want me to rate their vehicles, let me know, because I do got a couple people vehicles that I've been seeing people been buying lately that's around my city. So hey, might do a reaction video part 2 to that. So stay tuned, man. And make sure y'all go like all my recent videos, my cruise trip video. What else? Yeah, them vlogs. What else? my shorts, anything dealing with cars. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on them. And yeah, it's your boy So Chill, boy Eli, and we are out.